Genomics by Catherine Thomas for Intro to Nursing, instructor Mark Fleener. What is genomics? Genomics is the study of a person's genes. Biologists will use DNA sequencing to see the DNA strands in a person to discover if they have any underlying diseases such as cancer and heart disease, or if they are carriers for any medical conditions like hemophilia and sickle cell anemia. The goal of genomics is to improve health and prevent further harm through valid genomic tools in the public and clinical health practices. The goal objectives of genomics is to increase the number of people who have family histories of health complications to receive genetic counseling so they know if they have it, catch it early, and figure out the best forms of treatment for them. Who does it affect? For the incident rate, anyone and everyone should get their genomics done. It'll tell you what genes you have so you can learn if you have a genetic or inherited disorders, or you can learn if you are a carrier for a disorder. With the prevalence rate, it will help all who want to learn their genes. It can also help doctors discover diseases early on by getting to see what's going on in your genes. There's no diversity concerns. Anyone and everyone of all ages and ethnicities can get their genes sequenced. It'll save lives, so there's no reason not to. How is gene sequencing done? The process is not as complicated as it sounds. To learn the genomics, they do a human genome sequencing. This is where they take the human DNA and decode the nucleotide bases to see the variation from that person's against a healthy person. They do this to see the differences and discover what is wrong with them and what they are carrying. There are no risk factors to genomics other than learning if you have a disease or disorder that you could possibly be a carrier for as well. This is a video that quickly explains the process of genetic sequencing. When and where should you get it done? Genomics itself is a health promotion recommendation because they recommend that everyone gets genetic sequencing done to try and catch some diseases early and save lives. Statewide, they have genetic counseling at all major hospitals in Kentucky. Locally, you can get genetic counseling done at the medical center here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. How does genomics tie into the 4 domains of nursing? This supports the domains of person and health. This supports person because genomics is for everyone of all ages and can help families and communities. This supports health because genomics is looking at your genes and family history for diseases and disorders that you can have that are lying dormant, or see if you are a carrier for a disease or disorder. Want more information? You can learn all about genetics at this website here. It talks about what it is, research in its field, and how to get training and careers in this field. References.